What if you could plan your day, design your graphics, write your content, and edit your videos, all with AI? The best part? All for free. You don't need a fancy setup. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need the right tools. In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best free AI tools you can start using today to save hours of work and really level up your projects. No, this isn't one of those top 5 AI tools videos that repeats the same 3 tools you already know. These are actually useful, actually powerful, and yes, actually free. Let's get into it. Gamma app. Make presentations, docs, and web pages in seconds. If you've ever spent hours building a slideshow or writing a long report, Gamma is about to blow your mind. All you do is type a short prompt, like create a pitch deck for a smart home startup, and Gamma instantly generates an entire visual presentation, formatted and designed with clean animations, images, and structure. But it's not just PowerPoint 2.0. You can also use it to create one-pagers, portfolios, or landing pages. It even gives you built-in AI editing, so you can tweak the tone, change the layout, or regenerate slides with one click. The free plan gives you plenty of usage to make solid content without paying. And here's the kicker. It works in your browser, no downloads, and no learning curve. It's basically Canva meets Notion meets ChatGPT. If you need to make professional-looking content fast, Gamma is seriously underrated. Next up, Claude by Anthropic, the chatbot that understands you better. Claude might not have the brand recognition of ChatGPT, but once you try it, it's hard to go back. Where GPT can sometimes feel robotic or too formal, Claude is more conversational, less likely to hallucinate, and shockingly good at reading between the lines. It's also safer with sensitive topics and tends to keep things more accurate. But what really sets Claude apart? You can drop in huge documents, entire PDFs, dozens of pages of text, and Claude can handle it without breaking a sweat. Writers, researchers, students, this is your secret weapon. And unlike some competitors, Claude is completely free through platforms like Poe.com, where you can access it instantly. If ChatGPT ever gave you a weird or lazy answer, Claude is your calm, thoughtful friend who always comes through. Let's move on to ElevenLabs. Realistic AI voiceovers that don't sound like robots. Tired of voiceovers that sound like a generic greeting? ElevenLabs changes the game with voice synthesis that's shockingly realistic. We're talking emotion, pacing, inflection. It doesn't just read your text, it performs it. You can choose from dozens of voices in different styles and accents, or even clone your own voice if you upgrade later. But here's the good news. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month, which is more than enough to create full videos, ads, narrations, or podcasts. Just paste your script, pick a voice, and export. No editing, no mic, no awkward recordings. If you're building a faceless YouTube channel, starting a podcast, or just hate hearing your own voice, this is the cheat code. Now let's shift gears to something visual. Kittl, AI-powered graphic design that feels like magic. If Canva feels too basic but Photoshop feels like rocket science, Kittl hits the perfect middle ground. Kittl lets you create logos, merch designs, posters, and thumbnails using drag-and-drop templates enhanced by AI. You can type in what you want, like retro coffee brand logo, and it'll generate stunning options instantly. Then you tweak the text, colors, and layout without needing to learn a single design principle. It also gives you access to AI illustrations, textures, and typography tools that make your work look professional, even if you're starting from zero. And yes, it's free to use with access to a huge library of templates and assets. If you're running a YouTube channel, a small business, or just want content that looks expensive, Kittl is a gem most people haven't even heard of yet. But if you are stuck at making an actual video, this last tool is for you. Before we take off with the number 5, if you've enjoyed this video so far, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're feeling really nice today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it to make sure you don't miss more videos to come. Let's get back to it. Pictory turns text into faceless YouTube videos automatically. Pictory is the dream tool for anyone doing YouTube automation. You upload a script and Pictory automatically generates a stock footage video complete with subtitles, transitions, and background music. You can customize the clips, add your own branding, drop in a voiceover from ElevenLabs, or just let it run with AI narration. Perfect for list videos, tutorials, explainers, and shorts. It's not completely free forever, but the free trial lets you test full-length videos before paying anything, which is perfect for launching your channel without getting locked into expensive tools. If your goal is to make content fast and keep it faceless, this is hands down one of the easiest ways to start. All right, let's wrap this up. You've got Gamma for creating docs and presentations in seconds, Claude for smarter, cleaner conversations and research, ElevenLabs for pro-quality voiceovers, Kittl for scroll-stopping designs, and Pictory for full-blown video creation without ever showing your face. 5 tools, all free to start, all saving you time. Without the extensive trial and error, which one are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Before you go, I think you want to hear 10 weird facts from around the world. Click that video right up there to get started.